Welcome dear learners to this video tutorial on the use of Zoom, which is an online tool for online meeting, lectures, webinars. Let's see the objectives. At the end of this tutorial, learner will be able to log into the homepage of Zoom, explore different icons and tools available in Zoom, schedule a meeting in Zoom, explore different settings in Zoom, send the invitation to people to attend the online class, meeting, webinar. So let us see what is Zoom. This is basically an online video communication conferencing service company. It is basically headquartered in St. Joe's, California, USA. And Zoom permits the users to combine video conferences, online meetings, chats, and mobile collaboration. So this is basically the first part of this video tutorial where I just tried to show you and discuss and give you a brief view of what Zoom is. Let us first now move on further. Basically here I am using Screencast-O-Matic. You can see at the left hand side bottom, the screen is being recorded. So right now this this is a basically video tutorial which has been created by user Screencast-O-Matic, and I will be showing you how to begin and how to schedule and start with a live session or how to use Zoom for a meeting and to schedule a meeting, lecture. So first thing is you need to go to Google and type Zoom. Once you type on Zoom, the very first option is you need to go on the first link, and this will be the home page for Zoom. You can see at the top left hand side there are different options for solutions where they have different options for meetings and chat rooms and workspaces, phone systems, video webinars. Basically Zoom is an online system software which can be very useful to have a live online collaboration. Webinars means web seminar. It could be live online meetings, live online lectures, or to have a live online virtual class. So it's a very important system which can be used. It's a very useful software app which could be used for the purpose of live online collaboration. So here we are going with the free version because for the academic purpose it's okay to use and it's fine to use a free version of Zoom. So once you go to the Zoom homepage, you need to click on sign up, it's free. So once I click on sign up, it's free. It will be asking me to sign up with free. So here I need to scroll down and I will click on sign in with Google. Once I click on sign in with Google, I will be going with one of my user-friendly method to use Google Gmail. Now the connectivity can vary. Yeah. Now once you are done with sign up, you will be taken to the home page. Now let us explore the different icons and tools which are present in the Zoom. The left hand side, it gives you different uh, like tools or different icons which are present. You can click on profile. Once you click on profile, you can select a profile and you can like this is my profile, and uh, once you go on different avenues and different uh, like features which are present. For example, here you can have meetings, here you can have webinars, you can have recordings, you can have settings. And the important thing from our point of view is all this. You can see at the center, I can make it slightly big. Yeah. So you can see we have a option for upcoming meetings, previous meetings which are already done, meeting templates, personal meeting room, and get training. The very important and user-friendly nature of Zoom is that suppose you are a first-time user and you have no idea how to use Zoom. So, and if you want to plan online session for your learners or for your colleagues, and if you wish to plan an online like tutorial or video, so you can click on get training. Once I click on get training, see here, yeah, so the Zoom it has already a lot of recorded sessions. For example, if I scroll at the extreme bottom, you can see on watch the recorded training session. These are 30-minute videos, and once you click on this, the learner can gain access to the use of Zoom and he or she can become familiar. So this is how the feature of Zoom works if you're a first time user. Now, this is how the home page looks. If I click on previous meetings, now since I have been using Zoom for quite a long time, these are some of my earlier sessions. I had conducted some sessions with my students since I'm a lecturer in microbiology, and I teach microbiology at undergraduate and postgraduate level. So I had conducted some sessions on enzymology and microbiology with my students, and I had conducted some sessions. These are the most recent ones which I'm showing. There are many old ones also. And some of the sessions I had conducted with my like faculties. So once you click on previous meeting, you can see all the previous meetings which had been conducted. Now, upcoming meetings, if there are any, right now I have not scheduled, but we will come to know how it looks. Now, let us first see like how to schedule a live online lecture, or how to schedule a live meeting, online virtual meeting, or how to schedule like a sort of video conferencing. So you need to click on schedule a new meeting. Once you click on schedule a new meeting, you will be taken to the home page, and here you need to give the different data. It asks for simple data. The first thing is topic. So I can click and I can give a topic: discussion on ICT based teaching learning resources. Here I can give a short description. It is optional, but it's better so that the persons with whom you're sharing, even they will get some idea as to what the session is. So you can give this will be an live video meeting session, or better put as meeting, because we are planning a meeting. Live online video meeting. Okay, I've typed twice. Online meeting to discuss ICT based teaching learning pedagogies. So it is all based on your how you can customize and use it for your purpose. Next thing is you need to schedule it. When do you actually want to schedule it? So I can give the date as uh, suppose 6th April, and I can give the timing as 5 p.m. and here it asks for duration. Now since I'm using a free version, you can see here it has automatically come. Your basic Zoom plan has a 40-minute free time limit on meeting with 3 or more participants. If I have to have a bigger session for 1 hour, 2 hour, I need to have upgrade like version, and I need to have a paid version maybe. Here I can just keep as 30 minutes, it's fine. Next important thing is we need to schedule. Now since I have been already using it, so it is automatically showing me the time zone. Since I belong to Mumbai, India and Pune, so I am like it is already showing me the time zone. You need to set up a proper time zone, whatever time zone is yours. Now you can select whether it's a recurring meeting, whether you want to have the same session again for others. You can click on that. The next important thing which is system generated is meeting ID. Now this meeting ID is done by the system, and you need to click on this because the system has given the password also, because these two things are very important which we will be sharing with the colleagues. Now it is like preferably useful to keep both the video and the host video and the participant video off, because if we keep it on for a long time, and even in the settings, once all the videos are on and once we have the access to mic and video, there will be a lot of like background noise and it will lead to disturbance. So it is basically preferable to keep it off. You can select whether you want to give the access on telephone, computer audio, or both, whatever is preferable to you. Next thing is, yeah, these things are very important. You can keep either one of these, enable join or enable waiting room. This means that once I have given the time, now suppose my meeting is scheduled at 5 p.m. So maybe some participants can come and join at 4:50, but they can come and join and they can just be in the waiting room, and meanwhile they can check the mic and audio and video settings. So it is preferable to give this. The next very important feature of Zoom is that you can click on this last option, record the meeting automatically on the local computer. This will be very useful for you for archiving, for your documentation. Means the video which will be recorded, it will be automatically recorded on the local computer, and that you can keep it. Once I click on save, see this. So once I have clicked on save, it is getting generated, and now my session is ready. You can see all the details are ready. It is giving me the option as start the meeting, which I will not do it now because I've scheduled for 6th April at 5 p.m. I can join it to my Outlook calendar, Google calendar, Yahoo calendar. Now this much is fine. The next very important thing is I have to send the invitation. Right now it is just with me. I have not yet shared with my colleagues, with my students, or with others. So here the important thing is you need to click here, copy the invitation. Once I click on copy the invitation, there will be a window. You can see this window. This window will be generated. You need to click on copy meeting. Now, please make one thing very clear. This has all the data required. You can see here, it has the link, it has the meeting ID, this has the password. So once I click on copy meeting invitation, so this text is now ready, and this can be copied and this can be shared with the fellow colleagues, learners, students by it could be mail, it could be WhatsApp, it could be link. So like this you can share the invitation and they can join. So this is how the content is created. So dear learners, till now we have seen how the video content is created. So this was all about the use of Screencast-O-Matic app. Using it, I have created a video tutorial on Zoom, how to schedule an online meeting. It could be webinar, it could be meeting, it could be video conference. So this is how you can share it with the learners. So dear learners, thank you so much for patient listening. Keep in mind, change is mandatory, survival is optional. Thank you so much.